How to fix Instagram or restrict certain activity. First thing, go to the settings, go to the apps, open the apps, go to the Instagram app right here, click on it. When you click on Instagram app, it will take you directly to the app informations page, as you can see. Or what you want to do here is click on the storage here, click on clear data and click on delete. After you click on delete, go back and click on clear cache to clear all the informations inside the app. Go back again, click on force stop to stop the app from running in the background. After that, go to the data usage and make sure to enable all these four options. And then go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode. After 10 seconds, disable it. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and thank you for watching.